y'all. It's a new year, time for some new content, and I'm gonna become a outdoor legend, or at least try. This year, you're gonna come along with me as I go fishing, whether I'm fishing at the local pond. You're gonna go with me when I'm out on the lake on my boat and working through all the kinks with learning the boat when it comes to actually driving it, loading it onto the trailer, unloading it from the trailer in windy weather and beautiful weather when it's too hot or too cold like right now. Along with that, you're gonna come along with me getting over my fear of pushing record and waiting. You know, we come up with all those excuses, just the perfect day, right? The perfect time. And here I have an excuse for anything, whether it's too hot, too cold, too windy, too much gray in my hair, not enough makeup, too much makeup. With the new year, look, I could have scripted that if I wanted. This year I'm also going to do some outdoor cooking. What could go wrong when you mix fire, heavy cast iron, and my questionable cooking skills? Along with that, it does sound really cool cooking outside and with a big heavy cast iron pot until you realize that this thing feels like it weighs 30 pounds. Along with this, we'll add going out to the range, because ultimately that is also who I am, also is a firearm instructor and a Texas license to carry instructor. Can't leave that out. Here's what you can expect from my channel. Fishing adventures, whether I'm in the city ponds, the local lakes, on my boat or my kayak or from the shore. Basically, if it swims, I'm trying to catch it. Will I fall out of the kayak? We'll see. Camping skills, camping for my truck or tent camps. You know, I'm gonna be battling those mild fears of, what was that in the middle of the night? Outdoor cooking, bushcrafting skills and outdoor skills, trying to start fire, trying not to burn down my backyard while I'm trying to learn those fire starting skills, tying knots, building shelter, basically all the things I thought I knew. Listen, I'm not here trying to pretend that I'm some expert woodsman, far from it, but that's kind of the point. I'm here to share real stuff, the wins, the fails, and what was I thinking moments. So if you've got tips or just want to roast me, drop them in the comments below. I mean it. Let's all learn and laugh together. So if you're ready for fishing, camping, and watching me try not to burn my dinner, hit the subscribe button, because new videos will be coming every week.